Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer BNB from Binance to Metamask. For that, first of all, launch your Binance mobile application, then tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here in the overview, select the crypto option so that you could see all of the cryptocurrencies that you have in your Binance account. Now you just have to tap on the support, and here you just have to scroll down and select BNB. Now once you have your BNB in your account, you will be able to see a withdrawal option, but currently in my account I don't have BNB, so I'm going to demonstrate the steps on some other coin. So let's say this is BNB. So once you tap on BNB, you will be able to see the withdrawal option. So you need to tap on withdrawal and select the first option that would say send via crypto network. After that, it will ask you to provide the address. So in order to get the address details, you need to launch your Metamask mobile application, and here you need to make sure that the BNB chain is selected. If it is not selected over here, then you just have to simply select it first. After that, tap on BNB and then tap on the receive option. Now once you tap on receive, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address, which you need to copy from here, then come back and paste the address in this section. After that, in the network, you need to make sure that the BEP20 network is selected. Then you need to enter the amount of BNB that you want to transfer and tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you just have to follow further instructions in order to successfully complete this transaction. Once done, you will receive your BNB into your Metamask account. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then you can even comment them down in the description. I would like to reply to each and every comments. Thank you so much for watching.